Hello children, this is our GK time, and today in our GK period we will study about a game. This is badminton. Okay, this is badminton. Generally we love to play badminton, and in our spare time we used to play this game. Okay, at our home or in the park, right? So children, here you can see this is badminton court. Okay, this is badminton court. As we play cricket in pitch, same as badminton is played in court, right? And you can see this is, it is racket. It is called racket. Okay, by which we hit the shuttlecock. Okay, we hit the shuttlecock, and here you can see the two players. Okay, here the two players, and we used to play. Without two players we can't play this game, right? Now let's read. Badminton is played with a racket and a special feathered shuttlecock. It can be played in a court, on a lawn, or indoors, right? It can be played by two people or by four people, forming two teams, each with two players. So children, two people are needed to play this game, and four people can be played this game, but we form two teams. We have to form two teams, and each team have two players, right? There is a net in the center of the court and divides the court into half. Here you can see this is court, and this is a net which divide the court into half. Okay, so children, we need to read something important about badminton. So first of all, you know, this is badminton racket, this is shuttlecock, and now Palm starts the game by hitting the shuttlecock with her racket. She is the server. Okay, who hit first, okay, who start the game is called server. So she is server, right? And here, when the shuttlecock comes to Rohan, he will hit it back to Palm. He is the receiver. He is the server. Sorry, she is the server and he is the receiver, right? Now, back boundary. This mark the end of the playing area. It also serves as the long service line for singles match. Here you can see two lines. Okay, so this line is called back boundary, right? This line is called back boundary, and this line, okay, right, same as here we have two lines, and here also. So this is called back boundary, and this is called long service line. In doubles matches, the server will not go beyond this line. Okay, when two people in each team, one is here and second is here, and he will not go beyond the line, right? Now, sideline for singles. This is the sidelines for singles. Here we have two lines, and here also you can see, okay, each side. So in singles matches, a player makes a fault if the goes beyond this line, right? If the shuttle goes beyond this line, in the singles match a player makes a fault. Okay, right? Now this is the sideline for singles, and now you can see sideline for doubles. In doubles matches, a player makes a fault if the shuttle goes beyond this line, right? Now this is center line. Okay, here is center line, here is also. This line divides the court into half. You can see this line divides the court into half equally, right? Or this is net. So I think now you know something about the badminton court. Okay, badminton is a part of the Olympic Games. Thomas Cup and Uber Cup are the other famous badminton competitions, right? Badminton is derived directly from a game known as Puna, which was played by British Army officers stationed there in the 1860s, right? And children, you know the shuttlecock which made with the feathers of goose, a bird. Okay, to make a shuttlecock, 16 goose feathers are attached to a piece of cock. You can also have a shuttlecock made of nylon, right? Now children, here we have the pictures of some badminton players. We need to write their name. Okay, and here we have a help box also, by which we can take the help. So we will see the first picture. This is the first picture, and he is a famous badminton player, and his name is Shrikant Idambi. So here we can write the number 1, and now we can write here the here his name, right? Now the second picture. This is the picture of Jwala Gutta. Okay, she is Jwala Gutta. She is also a famous badminton player. Here we can write number 2, and now write her name. Now the third picture. Yes, she is PV Sindhu. She is PV Sindhu. So write here 3, right? Now the last picture. Yes, now you tell, who is she? She is Saina Nehwal, right? She is Saina Nehwal. So write here. Okay children, so you have to write the correct name below the correct picture. Okay children, so I hope you now know something about the badminton sport.